Welcome to our roundup of the best pressure washers. Whether you're tackling tough cleaning jobs, restoring outdoor surfaces, or prepping for a fresh coat of paint, we've selected top models that offer outstanding performance, reliability, and advanced features. We'll explore each pressure washer's capabilities, including PSI power, water flow rate, engine efficiency, durability, and ease of use, to help you choose the perfect machine for your needs. Don't forget to check out the description box below for the best deals. Let's dive in and discover the ultimate pressure washer for you. The first one on our list is the Ego Power Plus HPW3200. The Ego Power Plus offers a powerful and efficient cleaning solution, combining innovative features with advanced technology. With its peak power technology, it delivers up to 3,200 pounds per square inch at 1.2 gallons per minute, making it suitable for tackling various cleaning tasks. The washer allows you to select from eco, high, and turbo modes, ensuring optimal performance for every job. Additionally, its wand-integrated display provides real-time battery charge status, enhancing convenience and ease of use. This pressure washer is designed to handle both household and professional cleaning demands with efficiency. Equipped with user-friendly features, the HPW3200 simplifies setup and storage. Quick connection points for the hose and wand allow for hassle-free assembly, while the telescopic handle ensures easy portability and compact storage. Moreover, it includes a range of accessories like a flexible high-pressure hose, foam cannon, and multiple nozzles, offering versatility for diverse cleaning needs. You can connect it to a garden hose or use the siphon hose to draw from any fresh water source, adding flexibility. The overall type of pressure washer stands out with its compatibility with all Ego 56-volt ARC lithium batteries, although the batteries are sold separately. This design provides a clean, cordless alternative to traditional gas-powered washers, especially for mobile car detailing businesses. However, additional batteries may be necessary for extended runtime. In conclusion, the Ego HPW3200 combines innovation, power, and convenience, making it a reliable choice for those seeking eco-friendly yet effective cleaning solutions. The second one on our list is the DeWalt DXPW3400. The DeWalt pressure washer combines power, innovation, and convenience to handle a variety of residential cleaning tasks. Equipped with a DeWalt 208 cubic centimeter engine and pressure-ready technology, it ensures easy assembly and effortless starting. Its capabilities make it perfect for cleaning decks, patios, outdoor furniture, and house siding, as well as preparing home exteriors for painting projects. Additionally, the quick start technology eliminates the hassle of adjusting the choke or pulling a recoil rope. You simply squeeze the spray gun trigger to activate the battery-operated electric starter. Plus, the unit automatically shuts off after inactivity, reducing fuel consumption and noise. With a pressure-ready smart control panel, you can monitor the system using LED indicators for ready mode, water flow, and fault alerts like low battery or fuel. Regarding power and durability, the OEM Technologies axial cam pump delivers 3,400 pounds per square inch at 2.5 gallons per minute, with a thermal relief valve to prevent overheating. To add, its welded steel frame with a powder-coated finish ensures lasting resilience, even under tough conditions. It also includes a Morflex 25-foot hose, 5 quick connect nozzles, and a 16-inch steel wand for versatile cleaning applications. However, it's worth noting that adding and draining oil can be challenging, and the absence of quick disconnects for hoses may require additional effort. Overall, the DeWalt DXPW3400 pressure washer stands out with its advanced features and robust performance. Despite minor drawbacks, it's an excellent choice for those seeking reliability and convenience in their cleaning routine. The third one on our list is the Karcher K1700. The K1700 is a compact yet powerful solution for everyday cleaning tasks. With 1,700 PSI and 1.46 GPM, it efficiently tackles driveways, patios, cars, and more. Powered by a reliable universal motor, it ensures consistent performance for various outdoor cleaning needs. Its straightforward design makes it user-friendly, especially for residential use. This pressure washer stands out with its versatile Quick Connect steel wand, featuring 3 spray nozzles. The 15-degree nozzle is ideal for general cleaning, while the turbo nozzle is perfect for tougher surfaces. Additionally, the 65-degree nozzle is designed for applying detergent with ease, enhancing its adaptability. Moreover, the 20-foot kink-resistant high-pressure hose ensures convenience during use, and the removable storage container keeps accessories organized. In terms of added functionality, the Karcher includes a 0.5-gallon removable detergent tank, making soap application simple and efficient. Plus, the onboard foot-operated on-off switch offers hassle-free power control. It's also compatible with most universal 1/4-inch quick connect accessories, expanding its usability for specialized tasks. The overall type of pressure washer combines power with simplicity, making it suitable for homeowners seeking a reliable and straightforward cleaning tool. While it may lack the pressure of some higher-end models, it excels in efficiency and ease of use. In conclusion, the Karcher K1700 provides dependable cleaning performance with versatile features, making it a practical choice for a wide range of outdoor cleaning jobs. Coming up next, we have the LWQ S5. The LWQ S5 electric pressure washer with 4,200 psi and 2.5 GPM is a versatile cleaning solution that combines power, efficiency, and user-friendly features. Delivering deep cleaning performance, this pressure washer ensures effective dirt removal across a range of surfaces, including driveways, patios, cars, and more. Its high water pressure not only saves water and energy, but also allows for efficient cleaning of objects with complex structures. This machine stands out for its multifunctional design, equipped with 4 quick connect metal spray nozzles, offering varied pressure strengths, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, to suit different cleaning tasks. Moreover, the included foam cannon makes applying detergent simple and effective. You can safely use chemicals like bleach since the cleaner bypasses the pump, ensuring the machine remains damage-free. Additionally, the 23-foot hose and 36-foot power cord provide ample length for freedom of movement, while its anti-tipping design enhances stability. In terms of convenience, this pressure washer features a power cord hook and nozzle holder for organized storage. Plus, its compact design makes it easy to tuck away when not in use, making it ideal for smaller spaces. Furthermore, the machine can draw water from both a faucet and a bucket, ensuring adaptability for various cleaning scenarios. The overall type of cleaner is an eco-friendly and efficient option that balances power with practicality. While the plastic construction may not suit all preferences, it remains a highly effective tool for diverse home cleaning needs. In conclusion, it's a reliable and accessible choice for maintaining outdoor spaces. At number 5, we have the Simpson Cleaning MS61084S Megashot. The Simpson Cleaning Megashot is a premium choice for residential cleaning tasks, offering exceptional power and convenience. Designed with a Kohler SH270 engine, it's easy to assemble and start, making it perfect for cleaning decks, patios, outdoor furniture, and house siding. Its capability to prep home exteriors for painting ensures it is a versatile tool for any homeowner. Moreover, the Megashot's performance is supported by a maintenance-free OEM Technologies axial cam pump, delivering a robust 3,400 pounds per square inch at 2.5 gallons per minute. This includes thermal relief, preventing overheating, and extending the pump's lifespan. In terms of durability, its welded steel frame with a powder-coated finish ensures long-term reliability, even under rigorous use. Additionally, the high-pressure Morflex hose is both flexible and abrasion-resistant, offering a non-marring solution for a variety of cleaning needs. With its compact and lightweight design, the Megashot is remarkably portable. Its 10-inch premium pneumatic tires make maneuvering over uneven terrain effortless. Plus, it includes 5 quick connect nozzle tips, ranging from 0 degrees to soap application, catering to every cleaning task with precision. To add, the ergonomic spray gun and 16-inch steel wand ensure user comfort during extended use. Overall, while its assembly instructions could be clearer, the Simpson Cleaning Megashot excels in delivering premium performance and durability. The last one on our list is the Greenworks GPW3001 pressure washer. The Greenworks electric pressure washer stands out as an efficient and eco-friendly solution for tackling various cleaning tasks. Featuring a 14-amp true brushless motor, it generates an impressive 3,000 psi and 2.0 GPM, ensuring reliable performance for demanding jobs. Certified by the Pressure Washer Manufacturers Association, PWMA, This unit guarantees its pressure and flow rates have been rigorously tested and verified, providing you with the performance promised. Moreover, the heavy-duty cast aluminum axial cam pump delivers performance comparable to gas-powered models, eliminating the need for fuel. With JetFlow technology, this pressure washer provides up to 50% more flow, allowing you to clean hard-to-reach areas and achieve quick power rinsing. Additionally, its maximum inlet water temperature of 104 degrees Fahrenheit makes it adaptable to a variety of tasks, from removing stubborn grime to refreshing outdoor surfaces. In terms of durability, the pressure washer boasts a rugged design with a metal spray gun and a 25-foot Uberflex kink-resistant hose. To add, it comes equipped with multiple nozzles, including 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, soap, and turbo options, catering to a range of cleaning needs with ease. Plus, its lightweight electric design makes it convenient to use and maintain. Overall, while it might lack extreme pressure for the toughest jobs, the Greenworks True Brushless Pressure Washer excels in delivering dependable power, versatility, and eco-friendliness. You got it. So that's it for the best pressure washers in the market for this year. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest videos.